In today's class, we are going to learn comparison of fractions having same denominators. All of us know that fractions have two parts. One is the numerator, the other one is the denominator. Now, if the denominators are same, how do we compare the fractions? How can we tell which one is greater and which one is smaller? Let us begin with an example. Let me take first example from your reader. We can see two equal rectangles. If I shade one part of this rectangle, the fraction becomes 1/7 or 1/7. If I shade three parts of the other rectangle, the fraction becomes 3/7 or 3/7. Now tell me, are the shaded parts of the figure are equal in size? No. Here you can clearly see that 1/7 is smaller than 3/7. Symbolically we write it like this. 1/7 is smaller than 3/7. So when the denominators are same, we can see the numerators and then we can compare the fractions. Smaller the numerator, smaller the fraction. If you go back to the picture, consider this as a piece of chocolate. Both the chocolates are of the same size, but from the first chocolate, you will get only one part. From the second chocolate, you will get three parts. So where will you get more chocolate? From the second part, correct? So you can say that 3/7 is greater than 1/7. Or you can see, apply the rule here, when the denominators are same, compare the numerator, smaller the numerator, smaller the value, or greater the numerator, greater the value. Let us see one more example. We see two homemade veg pizzas here. Now we have to divide each pizzas into 8 pieces. Now we can see that both the pizzas have been divided into 8 equal parts. Assume that you and your friend are eating the pizzas and you ate 6 pieces out of 8. So how would you write the pieces you have eaten in fraction? It can be written as 6/8 or 6/8. But your friend ate only 4 pieces out of 8. So how would you represent those 4 out of 8? You have to shade 4 parts. Now tell me, who ate more slices of pizza? It is you, because you ate 6 out of 8. Your friend ate 4 out of 8. So comparing 6/8 and 4/8, we can clearly see in the picture that 6/8 is greater than 4/8. Or when the denominators are same, you have to compare the numerators. Greater the numerator, greater the value of the fraction. So we can conclude 6/8 is greater than 4/8. So we learned how to compare the fractions if the denominators are same. Now how to compare the fractions if the numerators are same? Let us see a few examples first. We can see two squares of equal size. Now I have divided one square in 4 equal parts, other square in 8 equal parts. Out of these 4 equal parts, I am going to shade 2 of them. So the fraction becomes 2/4 or 2/4. Now from the other square also, I am going to shade 2 out of 8 parts. So I have shaded 2/8 of the square. Now if we see or if we observe the fractions carefully, we can see that the numerators are same but the denominators are different. In such case, now if you look at the pictures, which one do you think is more shaded? If we see the first square, it is shaded more. If we see the second picture, it is shaded less than the first one. So we can say that 2/4 is greater than 2/8. So when the numerators are same, we have to compare the denominators. Lower the denominator, greater the value, or greater the denominator, lesser the value of the fractional number. Let us see one more example to make it more clear. Now we can see 2 chocolates here. I am planning to give one of the chocolates to you. But before giving it to you, I am going to divide the chocolates in a different way. So you have to tell me which chocolate do you want. Now first I am going to divide the first chocolate into 2 parts and the next chocolate into 4 parts. You can see properly, this chocolate I have divided in 2 parts. One is up, one is down. This has been divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am giving only one part of these chocolates. You have to tell me which chocolate do you want. Which one part of the chocolate do you want? One part of this you want or one part of this you want? So I guess that all of you want one part of this chocolate, because one part of this is more than one part of this, isn't it? Yes. Now let's write the fraction and compare them and see once. Writing the fraction of this chocolate gives you 1/2 or half, and writing the fraction of the other chocolate gives you 1/4 or 1/4 or quarter. So we all know that half is greater than quarter. So we have already learned from the first example, when the numerators are same, we have to see the denominators. Smaller the denominator, greater the value of the fractional number, and greater the denominator, lesser the value of the fractional number. Let us solve the exercises from the reader. Exercise 5.2, page number 63. Observe question number 1, 2 and 3. We can see the numerator is same in these 3 numbers. When numerator is same, we know that more number means less value, less number means more value. So where there is more number in the denominator, it is lesser than the smaller one. Where there is less number than the denominator, it is more than the greater one. So let us write accordingly. So 3/5 is greater than 3/7. Same way, 9/15 is lesser than 9/11. And 4/7 is lesser than 4/5. Look at the next 3 problems, that is 4, 5 and 6. If you see, the denominators are same. When denominators are same, you have to see the numerator. Smaller the numerator, smaller is the value. Greater the numerator, greater is the value. So 6 is greater, 3 is smaller. 5 is smaller, 11 is greater. So let's write fourth one. 5/12 is lesser than 7/12. Fifth one, 6/17 is greater than 3/17. Sixth one, 5/19 is lesser than 11/19. Solving 7, 8 and 9th problem. Here all the 3 numbers numerators are are same. So when numerators are same, what are we supposed to do? We have to see the denominators, and greater denominator means smaller value, smaller denominator means greater value. So like that, 17 is smaller than 15, 11 is greater than 15. Let us fill it now. 7th one, 12 21st is smaller than 12 15th. 8th one, 11 17th is smaller than 11 15th. 9th one, 6 11th is greater than 6 15th. Next three numbers, 10, 11 and 12. You can see the denominators are same. When denominators are same, you have to see the numerator. Lower the number, lower the value. Greater the number, greater the value of the fraction. So 10th one, 14 23rd is greater than 5 23rd. 7 20th is greater than 12 20th. 12th, 11 15th is greater than 8 15th.